Hello friends, this is Asim. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today I came here with something new. I am going to tell you some unknown facts about animals. I cover up these topics from the book named called Tell Me Why. Yes, the name of the book is called Tell Me Why, a very famous book. Let's go to the topic. First one is, what is the world's fastest mammal? Do you know what is the world's fastest mammal? Let's get to know. Man can move across the surface of the earth much faster than any other mammal, but not on his own two legs. Even the fastest runner of all time would rank as pretty slow moving creature compared with certain animals. In a short dash, man has been known to travel at a speed of 22 to 25 miles an hour. For a short dash, even an elephant or a rhinoceros can do about 25 miles an hour. A race horse, which we consider to be pretty swift, can go at about 40 or 50 miles an hour. The fastest greyhound can go is about 35 miles an hour. Do you think the race horse would be the fastest animals in the world? No. If we want to measure real speed of a motion by a mammal, we have to go to such creatures as the antelope and the gazelles. These animals can do between 60 and 65 miles for a dash of a mile or so. The speed champion of the entire kingdom, however, is the cheetah or hunting leopard. Just look at the picture of cheetah or hunting leopard. These animals have been timed at a speed of 70 miles an hour. But of course, they can keep this up for only about a mile, after which they drop down to a slower speed. So, what we know here, the cheetah is the world's fastest animal. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Why does the camel have a hump? Have you seen camel? The camel is called the sheep of the desert, and there is good reason for it. Just as a ship is constructed to deal with all the problems that arise from being in the water, so a camel is constructed to live, travel and survive in the desert, where other animals would die from lack of food and water. The camel gets along very nicely. It carries food and water with it. For days before it starts on a journey, a camel does nothing but eat and drink. It eats much that a hump of fat, maybe weighing as much as 45 kilograms. Let's look at the picture. This is known as hump. It is used to store water or food in it. The hump may be weighing as much as 45 kilograms, rises on its back. So look at here, the hump may be weigh 45 kilograms, rises on its back. So the camel's hump is a storage place for fat, which the camel's body will use up during the journey. The camel also has little flask-shaped bag which line the walls of its stomach. So here this is, and here it is long flask bag which can line the walls in its stomach. This is where it stores water. With such provisions, a camel is able to travel several days between water holes without drinking, and for an even longer time with no nourishment except what it draws from the fat on its hump. At the end of a long journey, the hump will have lost its fine shape and will flop to one side of the flabby folds. The camel will then have to rest for a long time to recover its strength. Did you know that the camel is one man's oldest servant and has been used by man in Egypt for more than 3,000 years? Here, look at this camel sitting. It has hump, loss of hump, so it doesn't contain any food or water stored in it. So this camel have to rest for a long time to recover his strength. Okay, let's go to the next topic. Very interesting. Do animals' eyes shine in the dark? All of us have seen the eyes of some animals glowing at us in the dark as we drive by at night. So it is natural to think that the eyes themselves are glowing. The truth is that the glow is only the reflection of light from some other source. It is probably caused by our car headlights, or it may be caused by a flashlight. So look at this picture. A boy flashing a light through cat's eye. So what will happen means, it may reflect the flash of the lights through cat's eyes. So how this happened? The reason that reflection takes place is that there is a layer of crystalline substance in the eyes of many animals. Yes, the animal's eyes contains a layer of crystalline substance which can reflect the light, or which the reflection caused by our car headlights, or it may be caused by a flashlight. Okay, this substance has the ability to reflect light. Man has almost none of this substance in his eyes. This reflecting layer also helps the animals see in the dark, which is why they can see better at night than man can. So here what we know about this means, why the animal's eyes contains a crystalline substance or reflecting layer, because it helps all animals to see in the dark. Okay, the differences in color of light reflected from the eyes of animals is due to the different number of blood vessels in their eyes. An animal that has many blood vessels in its eyes will reflect a reddish glow. If it has fewer blood vessels, it will have a whiter glow. Okay, let's go to the last topic. Can dogs see colors? If you have a dog you love as a pet, you share some of your life with it. The dog lives in your home, keeps you company, and goes on trips with you. So it is hard to believe that the world your dog sees is quite different from your own, for dogs cannot see any colors. Test after test has been made to find out if dogs can be made to respond to different colors in any way. Usually, this has been done with food. One color would be a signal for food, the other colors were not. A dog was never able to distinguish colors from one another. Dogs rely on their remarkable sense of smell to tell things apart. What about cats? The same kinds of tests were made. It was impossible to train a cat to come for its food in response to signals of different colors. It seemed that all the colors were like grey to a cat. That means cat also cannot able to see colors, and even dogs. Is there any animal that is able to see colors? As far as tests so far have been able to prove, the only animal other than man that is able to distinguish colors is the monkey. Monkeys and apes have been trained to open the door of a particular color in order to obtain food. Actually, the color blindness of animals is quite understandable. Most wild animals hunt at night or graze in the evening when colors are dim. Most animals have coats that are rather dull colored. Being able to see color is not really that important to them in order to survive. And most of them have developed their other sense to such a point that they can get along quite well in their own world. Finally, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.